What's up guys, this is your man Git K once again, and in today's video I'm about to show you how to retouch like a pro using the Retouching Academy extension. So if you don't have this extension, comment down below and I'll sort you out. Yes, so this is going to be a quick something. It's not going to be very long. Yes, so if you install your panel, you are going to get it over here. You come to window, come to extension, and there you have it. I have so many retouching extension and color grading extension. If you need one, you can just hit me up. Yes, or better still, you can go to Retouching Academy website and purchase it. Yes, so once you open the extension this way, we are going to deal with retouching for today. So we have via Gaussian blur, we have the via median, but what I'm going to recommend for you is to go for the via Gaussian blur. But before that, I got this image from pexels.com. Yes, you can go check that website out. They have free raw images for practice. Yes, and then the photographer's name is over up here. I'm not sure I can pronounce it that well, so let's leave it that way. Alright, so we are back to the extension. All you have to do is just give it a single click. But yet before, let me show you what I did on the image. So initially this was how the image looked like. The brightness was all over, so I had to duplicate it and then turn down the brightness, which is the highlights, and then the white. That is in camera raw. You can do it with your Lightroom as well. And then I took out some blemishes, so you could see the before and after. Before and after. Yes, and that's what I just did on it. So you're going to click on the via Gaussian blur. Once you click on it, it's going to ask you for a radius blur figure. Yes, like how my retouching action works. Yes, so you're going to give it a figure of your choice, or what you want to achieve, or the output of the image, or how you want the skin to be mixed. Yes, so with this image I'm going to give it 5.0. Yes, I have a full video explaining all about the radius for Gaussian blur, so you can go check it out. I'm going to leave the link in the description. Yes, so you click on it and then you are good to go. So once you're done, it's going to load for all the layers to be available. Yes, and with that I have a whole retouching pack which is available on my digital store. You can go check it out. So this is what it entails. It also has a retouching action, works perfectly like this one. Yes, so you can grab your chances, and we're also running a 30% discount from now to the 25th of October. Yes, so let's dive right into it. So once the extension has been played, or the action has been played through the extension, this is what you are going to get. So let me brief you a little about it. So there are people, or there are options where you can retouch on the low frequency layer, or you can retouch on the correcting tones. That's the empty layer. I recommend you retouch on the empty layer because it helps you come back or do it more once you make a mistake. So instead of deleting the whole group, you can just delete this one and create a new layer, and then continue wherever you ended, or use your eraser to clean the parts where you've made a mistake. Maybe you were mixing highlights into the shadows. Yes, so let's dive right into it. Enough of the long talks. So you are going in for your mixer brush, which is available here. So you have to right click, and then you have your mixer brush over here. I'm going to explain the settings for you as well, or you can go with what I have up here. So you make sure your mixer brush is a clean brush, and then with the settings, this is what works for me, and I'm going to recommend it as well. And when you are retouching on an empty layer, make sure you have the sample all layers button ticked. Yes, else it's not going to work. So this is because it's going to combine this and this to create a new well mixed layer for you. All right, so let's dive in and do some retouching. So when retouching, you can choose to zoom in or zoom out, but zooming out all the way helps me finish early or faster, or makes me retouch faster. So when you are using the empty layer, you have to turn off the high frequency layer to be able to work on the image, else you are going to destroy it. So I'm going to increase my brush size a little with my bracket keys, the left and right bracket keys. Yes. So you're going to mix gently. Yes. So this is the forehead. So you make sure you have to stay within your lane. So if you are mixing midtones, once you are done, just release the click, or if you are using a Wacom tablet, which is the pen, you lift the pen off the tablet, which means you've made a brush clean again. Yes. So take your time, don't rush it. Yes. So you have to take your time and brush it very well till you get your desired results. Yes. If you overdo it, you are going to destroy the image. Yes. And the reason for me picking up the radius of 5% is because I want to keep textures or retain textures at the same time smoothing out the skin. Yes. So 5 is like a middle, or is an average number for retouching. Yes. If you check out the video I did about Gaussian blur radius, you get more or clearer understanding about it, and I'm sure that's going to change up your editing game. Yes. So we are on the nose, retouching the nose. You can choose to zoom in and do it, but I prefer zooming out so I can see all over the image. So take our time. There's no rush. Yes. If you want the perfect well skin retouch image, you have to take your time. You don't have to rush it. Yes. So let's see what we've done so far. So you turn on the high frequency layer again, and then this is before and after. This is what we've just done on the skin. Yes. So let's proceed. So you are going to apply it to all over the skin. Yes. Zoom down a little, and yeah. So we are on the neck. Make sure you do it gently, don't overdo it. Yes, or you are going to destroy the skin. And always keep it at the back of your mind that you want to keep the image as natural as possible. Yes. So after retouching, you don't have to get a cartoonish image or a different looking image. It has to be the same person, but this time around they've been enhanced. Yes. So this extension is very good. Yes, it works the same as my advanced Git retouching pack. Yes, but if you can't purchase this extension, my retouching pack is available for you, which is going for a cool price. Yes, you can go check it out on my digital store. Yes, we have lots more products. We have Luts, we have presets, Lightroom presets, we have Photoshop Luts, we have actions, we have backgrounds for manipulation. Yes. So when you get to the arm, you can choose to increase your brush size so as you can finish early. Yes. So we can go down and do more on the arm. So once doing it, make sure you brush highlights separately, you brush midtones also separately, and shadows as well separately. Yes, to get an even skin tone or to get an even retouching. Yes. So you take your time, you don't overdo it. Yes. So let's reduce on the brush a little, and then re-brush this aspect. Yes. So you can zoom in and do more. And then when we get to the fingers, you can reduce your brush size and do it gently. Yes. Not too much, just a little. So let's zoom out and then turn back the high frequency layer. So far, this is what we've done before and after, before and after. You can see we've mixed out the skin tones. So once you are done doing or using the mixer brush, you have to even out or smoothen out the brush strokes on the skin, and you can with the lasso tool. And with the lasso tool, make sure the feather is around or is above 15 pixels, but I prefer using 18, so you can also go with that. I'm going to recommend that for you. So all you have to do is make sure you selected the empty layer where you did the retouching, and then select the forehead. So what you are going to do is you're going to apply Gaussian blur on it to give us more effect of the retouching. So you come to filter, go to blur, go to Gaussian blur, and then you can choose to multiply the first radius we give. So 5 times 3 is going to give us 15, but sometimes I choose to go a little overboard. So with this I can even go to about let's say 20. Yes, so 20 will work perfectly for me. Yes, so you see there's a place within retouch throughout the whole process. Yes. So you can still go in, you can still come back and enhance your work. That's why I like the correcting tools. It shows you where you've retouched and where you've not. Yes, so if you could realize we didn't retouch these aspects, so you can come back and do it more. Reduce on the brush size, zoom in a little, and then we brush. So we gently do it. The plan is to keep the image as natural as possible. Always avoid the lips and then the edges. Don't get too close to the edges of the skin. Yeah. Good. So let's go back to the lasso up here. And then we are going to select the specs. Once you are done selecting, because we've done it already, you don't have to go to filter again. All we can do is just right click, and then we have it over here. It's in the history of filter. Yes, so just click on Gaussian blur, and then it's going to apply the 20 radius we gave it previously. So we are going to apply this to all parts of the image. Yes, so then Gaussian blur. Yes, so when it gets to the nose, if you apply it, the nose is going to look very flattened. So I'm going to show you a technique over here. So Gaussian blur, you see we've reduced the highlights over here, which is not good. It has made the nose very flattened. So you can fade the Gaussian over here. So you just have to right click and then you do it, and then you get this pop-up menu saying the opacity radius. So you have to reduce it a little, so as you can get the natural way of how it was. So reduce it to about 27%, and then you click on OK. Yes, and then you come to the chin as well and apply it there. Yes, so we did same on the neck and all parts of the body. Yes, so I'll choose to speed up this aspect. And we are done. So let me show you the before and after. So before the retouching and after retouching, you can see we've smoothened out the skin very well. Yes, if you zoom in, you can see before and after. Yes, so this is how you smoothen all your retouch using the Retouching Academy extension in Photoshop. Yes, let me show you the finished work that is over here. Yes, so this is the finished work. I used this Retouching Academy extension to achieve this. Yes, so this is the before and this is the after. Yes, so if you want to learn more, kindly subscribe and like this video as well, and also stay tuned so as you can keep up to all new future videos we'll be making. This is your Mind Git K once again. Peace out.